What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and meet the ultimate living room setup under $2,000. I partnered with Hisense to make this video possible, and all the tech shown here can be had for under that price point, which is pretty awesome. Now, I wanted to keep things simple, so not too many devices, not too much clutter, just pure entertainment and a small dose of gaming. So obviously, the star of the show here is the Hisense H9 Plus. Now, this thing is pretty stunning, and it's a 65-inch 4K TV with crisp details and that Hisense ULED technology. The panel itself is super clean with a wide color gamut, an HDR viewing experience, a 120Hz panel with ultra smooth motion 480 for smooth action and sports viewing, and the design is pretty classy as well and will fit into most any room's style. There's also a built-in 4K upscaler for 1080p content and smart TV apps like Netflix and Amazon Video and a ton of others. There's quite a bit built into the TV itself, but with 4 HDMI ports, you'll have no problem expanding the entertainment to other devices. The speakers on this TV are pretty excellent as well, which caught me off guard at first, but overall the H9 Plus is a great starting point to build out a fresh living room setup. Now, along with the TV, I also do have an Xbox One X for some gaming, obviously, which, mind you, works great on the H9 Plus in the gaming mode. Now, obviously an Xbox is an Xbox, but with 4K gaming and content and HDR available with the console as well, there will be no shortage of great things to take advantage of. Kicking back and playing a game is pretty epic with a TV of this size and quality as well, but to build things out a little more, there's another addition here, and I have the 4K Apple TV. So if you're all up in Apple's ecosystem, this is almost a must-have for any entertainment setup. Really, it packs all of the 4K and HDR goodness that you need, along with movies and TV shows through iTunes, which is pretty helpful if you're already a part of all of that. But really, what else do you need? I mean, we've got gaming covered, 4K content, HDR, heck, even the TV stand fits within this budget. And while that may be a little high for some people, for what you're getting here, it's pretty hard to beat a setup of this size with everything involved. Like I said, the Hisense H9 Plus is pretty awesome, and I definitely recommend giving that a look. But if you'd like to find out more about it, I will be sure to leave a link below for you in the description, along with everything else mentioned here, so you can check it out and build it out how you would like for yourself. But give me your thoughts in the comment section below, and be sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.